Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox two mandalas that I purchased from AliExpress a month and a half ago, but they arrived only now. So let's start with this kit. This mandala reminds me of a snowflake. Maybe this is the reason why I purchased it. It is a partial crystalline diamond painting kit. This size is 30 by 30 centimeters. The background is not diamond painted and the symbol printing is pretty good. Now, this kit comes with 10 colors. Half of the colors are special shape drills, like the blue one, the pearl one, white, in the shape of the water drop, I guess, the silver one, blue, light blue, and 5 crystalline colors: light blue, I would say light sky blue, pink, purple, darker blue, and transparent or silver color. So this is the first kit. I purchased both of them around for around maybe $5 or $6. I will leave the links in the description box below. This is the first kit. This is the second design, also partial kit. The background is not diamond painted, 30 by 30 centimeters, although the size is not mentioned on the canvas. The symbol printing is as good as on the previous one. And this kit comes also with 10 colors. Unlike the first one, this kit comes with 4 special shaped: light blue, silver, I would say greenish blue, bluish green, blue. These are crystallines, light blue, light green, also something in between of blue and green, the pink, purple, and it also has AB diamonds, white AB diamonds. Very nice designs. I don't know if I mentioned it before and if I uploaded a video review, but I already completed 2 mandalas from a different store, but I'm pretty sure that they're all standard. This is the first one. This is the second one. I don't think I uploaded a video review on this one. The crystals are gorgeous. The sparkle is beautiful. Look at that. And at this moment, I'm working on the kit from Diamond Dots, Chill, 40 by 40 centimeters, a full round drill diamond painting kit. To tell the truth, it's kind of time consuming, but that's also because I don't really have time to diamond paint, but it also have some confetti, especially over here. As soon as I'm done, I will upload a video review. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.